Hello everyone, what's better than a bowl of soup when it's cold outside? This is Papaya box 2. I will tell you the benefits of it. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos for everyone knows, and subscribe. Thank you. So I have a pork knuckle here, and I'm blanching it in water with salt, vinegar, and ginger. When it comes to the boils, turn around a few times, and that's it. You just blanch to get rid of all the impurity and smell from the pork. After that, you can remove and wash carefully your pork skin. If it have hair or impurities left over, you can use the razor and scrape off and clean under the water. And now you can put your pork into the broth. I have this pork broth that I prepared earlier. If you want many recipes for broth, browse my channel to find out. I have many recipes for it. Chicken broth, pork broth, pork rib tip broth, many of them. Now while the pork cooking, I prepare the papaya. When used by papaya to cook, preferable you get the one not ripe, still very green and firm. You peel the skin and now you cut into chunks. I don't list the ingredients and the measurement here because you can make as one knuckles or more, or one papaya or more. You can cook them on and then you can keep them for a few days in the fridge. Anytime you want a hot soup, you just heat it up either on microwave or on the stove. Very fast and good. While you're cooking the pork knuckle in the broth, remove the scum that rises on the surface so that your soup will be clear. If you don't bother about cleanness, then don't bother to remove. After the pork knuckle is tender, you season it. I season it with fish sauce, salt, black pepper, but it's all up to your taste. You can add more or less. Then add the papaya and cook for a few minutes until tender, and that's it. And I sprinkle green onion and cilantro, and now I present in a bowl. You can see it's so beautiful, and I promise to tell you the benefit of it. This soup, in our country, they use for the breastfeed purposes because it revives the milk strengths and provide many milks for the baby. But you don't need to be, so you can eat anytime and it's good for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.